Just wanted to put out a quick video here and follow up to a recent video I did a few days ago around controlling the EQs in VST here. In the video I showed an example where I was using a combinator to tweak these EQ points here. I posted it on Reasoners on the Reddit group, and thanks to Selig Audio, there is actually a lot easier way that, for some reason, since moving my neck to keyboard behind me, I've not been messing around with recording any automation for a while. Totally forgot all about this approach. So stay tuned, I'll just show you that super quickly.
This is where we all get down.
Okay, so in the example, I got a 4 on the floor playing here, and I was using neutron elements from Isotope to mess around with the EQ here. And normally what I do here is hit automate, click a parameter, and then say this one here. And then you got this global dirty flag. And if you watch my previous videos, see how I combine this into a combinator and then assign it to a control and start tweaking it that way. Turns out there's a lot easier way to do this. If you just hit record here, you can actually just manipulate this here. And I believe, being as you've already clicked the automate button, you can actually just start to mess around with these values real time, and it will record that. And again, thanks to Selig Audio, it says here if you just wanted to tweak this, you can just come in here and manually override this here if you want to do that after recording it. But again, as you see, as long as you're recording here, we can tighten this up, widen it, move it, and it's laying down those values here for you to automate and play around with, so no need for the combinator. So again, thanks Selig Audio. That's obviously a lot simpler than the example that I put out there, but I do think there's still elements of that video that are useful to people who maybe haven't used the combinator before to tweak certain parameters in VSTs and how to map them through. So just wanted to follow up with that, just so that you don't go off doing something a little bit more harder work, if you like, than the example I've just shown here by recording and then manipulating the parameters to lay that down to use automation.